near Timaba Beji power. I think MPP have a lot of job to do. I was saying you're making some radical decisions, which I think you want to be one of these radical decisions, sir. I was MPP here. One, we know say you are an aspirant for the general secretary, right?
Yes.
Answer Bebaso about your ambition, no. But to me actually, why did you choose to be MPP member?
Minim what to pay. You see the UP tradition you will to.
Okay. Okay.
And me say Ohineba Sekweku. AKA JC Kokofu.
Okay.
Just a tradition. Sama Hineba no. Come for Sama Hineba. And then
okay. Okay.
The women are now. And then two for Sama Hene. Na kwabena Kokofu the first. There will not to tradition no be wo yenso too.
Okay.
Me maame Tika Kakra Augustina of Arabia. There will not to new patriotic there will not to tradition UP tradition. Nti ya wo ya to form na ya ni be fi na de eni ma no.
All right.
Na anu ka new patriotic party. Nti me do akọ achi kakra. Abra soja ban wo ho na ba ne partisan politics or memono.
Yeah.
Until 1992. Na untimi enye party adwumanka party asem na emum na sumasi dwa na yedie.
Okay.
Impeni ye da busier friend saying dankwa busier club. Let us say area ya ho mpeni kwa na area ya ho akutie bi. Until say 1992 the left ban na me Germany. Hamburg hono na metebo mebra. Timperifu a yekehia na yete Germany branch.
Okay.
New Patriotic Party, the founding member.
All right.
The 93 ni mo a tintim ye no na me bu me ketem se da bi. Agro no wo fie. Ti me ko fie. Na makoka nua no mo na ya ma na tintim ye. 1993 na me back to Ghana. Me twa mani da New Patriotic Party. The pim so bra ekoba se ye nhihye se ye polling station executive no dem pa we polling station chairman polling station your friend Eli temporal boot the electoral area north interest electoral area.
Okay.
The premier be electoral area coordinator and no the premier be constituency chairman bantama of all places.
Yeah.
When you say New Patriotic Party, ne born and soon then I come in Asante region.
Yeah.
Asante region, so Oka be real Kumasi.
Yeah.
Now Kumasi Kukuku, Bantamas and a penny. And my year polling station chairman or Bantama constituency, electoral area coordinator or Bantama constituency. Now my 2-term constituency chairman. Bantama constituency.
Yeah.
No more na President Kufo edeme call KMA, Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly.
Okay.
Oh yeah, me finance and administration committee chairman.
Okay.
And check na sa bread or ya Asante regional chairman. That was near friend of Uriah Mankwa. Oh yeah, the finance committee wa Asante region. Escafo a boa party numni adi nyina committee. Nena na me chairman. Tama be man. Na muno yase Asante region papa muni kasane ade kakra ho yentiku the reconciliation committee nena na me yetwetwe secretary.
Wow.
Pe yase yebeto aba Asante region mu ayedene yonko yema yase kwabena break ye me Asante regional elections committee secretary. Mika we nyina na me kasama party no for over 20 years as a communicator, both regional and at the national level. And Sana, Didi Mua, I am a member of parliament for Bantama. Yeah, I'm a member of parliament, Bantama. The Numu, and I say, Constitutional Review Committee. Memorana Meka home, if you send me a lawyer. the committee no na you are fenyo markings and then ono no ye minority leader on na edaya no.
Yeah.
Enti yasum at all those levels. Aye niema hudo aboa party no ne hihye ne ahudo bia. Enumu no eba patwo hihye ne hu sem kan ne ade a ma wadire mu kakra. Mintu kantu me ho minimu. Yes. Enti baby a your party no aduro no. Na ayahom tesem kakra. Until right after the defeat, January getting to the end. And I mean ya ho 24 me and akuku dampa. And me betna sekasa se. Omu benya anka menyi mo abo abeho. Na flag bearership race dey ani mu abeba no.
Yeah.
Me fa me hu chembi na omu beboa me. Na mesoma be party na ni matu frank ama party. If you say omu hwe me nyina so ene ne a me ho keka ne ade a metumi ayo.
Yeah.
Indeed, me je wa no ba eda wase. Ne mo me ka say menye. If me aye na so menye. If you say party no or how ewum, ye di nkugu ente say and subire wo. Wo be kwa kusia kan for flag bearership ne ade ye ne kase antwie ne ade beba. Ban sa pe na me ko add to the rules and the problems. Rather me pese se me wa hoden ni nyansa ne bibi dia me part of the solution.
Okay.
Na ko pe na pa penny ba ko se ne part of the solution dia for your national chairman na ba ko si debi. Ono wa kinkan New Patriotic Party Constitution na Article 9 in itself national organization. Who can kaya na hwe dwumadi a chairman die dwumadi a vice chairman for die dwumadi a secretary dwumadi obi a dia party ni nyina so nyina wo general secretary aso ye ho your friend and national secretariat it is you obi a ye wogidi wonimu na obi a wa kuduro obi a wonim de obi a ote party adwuma ase obi a form for nyina gi no tumu no mane ne ye baako obi a onim se penini timidibu ma pani koda ni midibu ma koda no no soso wagibie stani pano a oye kokofu no ane ho na sefata no ana ho no betumi aboa ye ho na ba ko betwe adwene siso se wodim say your party your convention your hihye bi your adwempo bi the party no kwa abato so na edi nkunimu a general secretary ho no ye so no soro ye bona baso
okay
kwa abato so na nkuguo ba then we are ba general secretary no e do so bo no e ho ano sha yes say you radambotwe ono abodambotwe
yeah
now you general secretary near winning your first election that was our fourth republican without the bonabaso papa until going forward and your sama no kwa bio no san be apoa until your san winning 2004
yeah
and your no minister until no achi no ana yura ohinin too a seasoned journalist, a veteran journalist, very good gentleman. Obeso mu 2008 idi nkugu ya in fact first round nearly the second round and you lose it.
Yeah.
The party need to recover kumase. Say about be dwendwene ye ho. Ye ba ye no at that congress, ya me charge the men and me security coordinator.
Okay.
In charge of security was our congress. E hona ewura onyin to obu na konta kasa wie no ka so yema no kwan no ntoa ati ni se debi ewura se John ayiniti lawyer say obetimi aya chen ne ono ye ya the party different onyin to ode ma se John kura mu na ye pem na koduru 2012 ye kwa abato so isusu se ye di nkunim nanso electoral commission si ye di nku enu ntie ko pie mu court supreme court court so ebuti ai nti wie na pe na party ne so aye ho ene tamale ho te ya bro ye nkran yekusu tamale ti ho na ye ko di asem ko tuja na yewra se John so e bi adro ne ya sama no to aso na fedi obetimi ayo na party si debi nti ne kwabena je Japan oso aboabo no ho obetimi aya chen de we yi ana no ya dane de ma kwabena je Japan yenim ste kwa afeni fie mienu nsema hodo bebre nti na se kwabena kwotena nchen na party ni hihye mu abema bia inimnidi announce yente ne nka kasi pii saa abrɛ no e friend John Board na oyɛ national organizer JP na pani mramu no remu pani di ne be acting general secretary the call election 2016 obia hu de see acting general secretary John Board the party nani me di kunim a na so chen kunim die bia ye di pen
in the history
in your 53 point something % for presidential in your 169 seats just near your commanding lead or parliament and your permanent the best call for the convenient who be now John Board didn't assemble 2 years in Siceno or yeah acting secretary Pono General with me my 169 seats. You have 53% presidential. And you the man no be substantive or the other quay any matches. And you say, the can't be near any the man. Your about also 2020, Nimson South on a buyer. 169 seats, not than 137 seats. And this is when you're 137. You have 53%, not better than 51%. No party force. We dey ban say dey na akui na no yesa so aye ho ene nkran sports stadium kotre ikusiam na John ba say me me JB me adwenkese me ana me de party no kokodu 169 seat na ye call 2020 anye ye nemu ma tua de maboabo me ho metimi akoye nim ne ayi ati se there bi odi nkunim de
na
it's on record wa when nanso kunimdie we nsoye ni mrantie bi aboabo wo mo ho a wo mso betimi aya ache na eje dane ma wo wo nkran sports stadium nti test case ni 2024 elections 169 seats ye wo 87 seats they say obi kura anya sure sa afi kwa wie na ho apone a we don't know
well
51% no ya ba 41% ti se wokika we nyina bom na ohwe bebia ye free ban bebia bedura prepare ye bekwa abaso so a ye bedi nkuguo we so ye nkuguo mu odo no it tells you say general secretary position no wokika it is a wokika de ane na see ye penisi anamu prekope it is ye china penisi anamu ne abehunu kwabena kokofu dia na chese ne atadwe atedede ye be ma me asin keteni anuano maji atum se megina no enium just by convention you patriotic party members will change the executives be change the general secretary no and so be change na say who fie now wo wire mkwaye now so mangudua si ho anya ofe na ni sunu fasto wo twa atwene a 7 previous a unkudua bo friends nanan
tabida
kopru dum okudua dada yes sida mo dro na mo won faso nti dupon tutu a nya bro friend e disinana
absolutely
and nti say ya penisia na emu dia ene the search party no e krakra wo ni a na be hwekwamna kokofu opem say owoni a wo mo hwehwe o mo say this time round o mo hwehwe obi a wo parliamentary experience akọ parliament pen na wo experience two o mo hwehwe obi a oti grassroots adwuma na se oti party ni bowa oti ati ni kasa oti
in fact na person ka be misoko shimbe nanka unyi mayen in a step in a gradual step because
when I penny intima
no I can never be
me can counter ya ye woman you see ya woman na teacher ni okura ba ni wa ye kire wa de ha na ebema
me pese because me pese oh say tia ye tie we nipa more platform we so we are all worried about what happened to MPP in 2024 yem pese BBC biem but pese ye tie ho ase de anko yi a enam no so tie wo say yem fa honorable very well experienced because me I read a little bit about you now to win 82% of general election president a parliamentarian candidate ultimately win 82% at Bantama enya de ketwa it means say wa kwadre wa amanyo semu very well enti na nke pese mi say General Secretary or when what are the critics been on him say Uncle Ya on his side the nam so I'm a part yen to me. I'm me dear one as yen to me and your mamma anya to my year. The ban critics now what the actual General Secretary no.
Me prepare me who some pass judgment.
Okay.
General Secretary CCA. Judgment be or my party man. My mama the foundation today. BBA muna ibe kwa ba trust wa ibe di nkunimu. General Secretary or die no ye born abaso. My mouth example of Dan Butchie.
Yeah.
And my mouth example of JB John Bodu. BBA ye be kwa abato so ye be di nkuguo no. General Secretary no ye mona baso yes sano. The mount example of Nana Ohinin too.
Yeah.
The mount example of the John. And the mount example of John Bodu.
Yeah.
Until the tradition continues.
Okay.
Unabated.
Okay.
Until the society beba and me na maybe say ni pass mercy ultimate anya A and B and now I knew it. Party rough for no home. The papa from grassroots from polling station to national. Obi ye wo about 6 million Ghanaians who are on the D omusha party t-shirt unkuta party flag. Ye kofi omu kakra wo fiem. Ye won ja okumebu. Afọ no wo muni ntimuni ade bebre. Enu nti me ntimi pass judgment. Nemom to refresh ye nyina ye memory ene ya dwenche. Enche P Anna first vice chairman national.
Yeah.
They say on here acting national chairman. Chairman Buti Oba video so radio so openly. Or say yeah executive say oh you know make who be ya failing party no.
Okay.
Ya momotene ya dwuma ya nsuani. Enti ye nyina ya mfe na de emu ho. Ne ma afoforo num bi kwan no mu meso party num no munye ne ye.
Okay.
Asmo no kan no. Enche P ana ye call by election wa kwatia. The Korean got your poto. The Numu Anna, third vice chairman, as you say, we are acting second vice chairman, Chairman Bugabga, or Babon Timber Video. Or say, party no ye niche shabia, your Quacotiana keke. Na free your national secretariat. Near me, funny, my papa be a workman. In fact, mean to me, and paraphrasing, near me be a kind of cry, a bear manudu.
Yeah,
in a nutshell, but they say, Oma Mama thing. And he said, Bobo Chichi, Finciase, the so said, and Chimawea. I'm saying, wa, Papa Pepe. And Tinyame and the Bianya Nibia pass judgment, but from within. And indeed, party for Kabakunimi and Ubomua, they can't. Ultimately, you want to
answer you.
Okay.
Messi, you can't you 2 plus 2 you 4. Hello, Timenka. Pacho Timenka.
Yes. Further on, question no, ka dan no from me. If you say, near always say antimi anya na why in year no. It's not me to pass judgment. Nemum near me. The me ya madam na me general secretary. They met me aye at the abo. I do be
we will not, because I wanted to do. In any case, Matuas here, main side the hobby, but now let's come to your side. Now you know to link up here because I understand where you stand. And to say, some people for PCNG to see intimate mail your party no. Me pacho, Quine Benso, and as a general secretary, ube to me, I build back the unity among ourselves after this premise here, because what you say, it could be up higher than you as a general secretary, God willing, they are not to me. I bring back the unity in the party. Yen can say.
Okay, unity in the party, adiabako among the Nema meeting. Na Obama Makwaya, in free form, if you say, you see the idea, not as a foundation here, Papine, Emuya Ding, Yaza.
Of course.
Yes. As we speak today, in new patriotic party, another door. In him. Into the first thing now, the person is to build a credible database. Be indicating new patriotic party members, core members. No dear, you go akunte bia, you bet me this na figure nebu. Now, so ubenya core credible database. As I said, we shall see a free polling station.
Okay.
By electoral area, never constituency. Now, more man and you shall see a free chapters, now about branches. Now, every feeding into national system. No.
Okay.
Now, your pride yourself. So when he said the digitalization. So,
symbol, yes.
A idea, new patriotic party, you're the pride here.
Yeah.
The kind of born to your flag bearer. Or boss no come one seven or you say we said the attendant this for that form and then woman casa diatu.
Yeah.
Say a boama or man teacher cost papa and woman vindicate here as new patriotic party. But or how kakri woman say, yeah, casa ya doctor, sir. Technology in far more,
okay.
Through our structures and our friends say your plan and development. Into that database will help us to bring all that. The database no be say you target, and now my dream point say we target about 5 to 6 million Ghanaians across board. We are registered. Pick one. You find the Ashanti region. Ghana nyina ye mother data no electoral commission database.
Yeah.
Asani ye national identification authority so dey.
Yeah.
Enti enim defo bi wa manone e bi Ghana ha a omunim IT ye no atena omo se mema omtumi mienu a they will be able to do that.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah. You better make sure say the Ashanti region and Ashanti region and you be say you find say nipa 2 million po and the war EC database so. You obey and say about 12 and say 2016, 2020, 2024. Averagely, it was saying about my new patriotic party. Your check here is about 70%.
Okay.
70% of 2 million. 2 million, they can't say more. 70% of 2 million will give you 1.4 million. So clearly, you can make Ashanti region 1.4 million as your target. As your target, then what about Ashanti region? Constituency saying or distribution as saying assuming semian kasame constituency bantama. Assuming say distribution, ye will move 100,000. And we share 3 elections now. Averagely, no percentage say niya bantama is 80%. If you or 100,000, now 80%, you get 80,000 as your target.
Yeah.
And assuming say Bantama war 10 electoral areas. Assuming I'm making a
yes, you assuming.
10 electoral areas. Which 80,000 muma woman will be having 8,000.
Yeah, of course.
And to me electoral area not interested. 8,000 the be target. Assuming say electoral area be 10 polling stations are. Now which 8,000 electoral area be 8,000. Sorry, 800.
800, yeah.
And to me, electoral area temporal boot A line, you were 800 to register. And to whom I'm able to say, 750 Mantemo to Abama New Patriotic Party, near register near my card at 4. Yes, or Koje card and one can and Marciana online. Yes. Ya churo ni dini ya huni pakro ya huni so ya oba na bema ya jiatum sampa otu New Patriotic Party ya huni adwuma a oye aware a yenim checking all this data we ya bema no student a yenim we unemployed a yenim we a yenim ni fie yenim ni BPA all that electoral area polling station executives will keep that record.
Okay.
Now, omodi are feeding into the electoral area coordinator no office. Also, you have that record of that 10 polling stations. Now, electoral area no so the record no aba constituency. That constituency the aba region. That region they are national. National office, general secretary. That me pese me who kofi menu. Yes, oto aba ewo antama anyimbro no mu a the click computer and system na I will be able to see. It may make me kofi menu akasa direct.
Yeah.
As general secretary. Ewo ne pese ase ne baby a o. Or how be a obetimi a report to direct. And also pass it through the channels, you know. Na aba. Who saw we are way in area? One will be a card bearing member.
Yeah.
Okay, now I implemented all card bearing members in good standing now. Omubeto ababiabi.
Okay.
Parliamentary prime is to be. Presidential prime is to be. Now, son, to be na be good standing. They propose initial 2 cities per month.
That's it.
I'm not to bank to maybe I'm not ton tomatoes. You call ni fear, you call register, no na man a party card. Yeah, can't say you say you be parliamentary primaries, you pursue to be into as a so clear the 2 cities, Busumi Bian. Mamma de Ahoka and or any Nigia a bit here. If we say a party no can't be or Papa Sirena Jenny. So you in a banner, yet the brony need ya mano. A failure, you patriotic party at TSS or no so sefata. We understand we pay a solve problem. A party cassia, a dinkugu cassia bray or police station. Every election is won and lost at the police station.
Yes.
For one control banning, you know, man, Pian police station or reasons near me. But or no, now, where a delegate here or to a banny be. Ubi be MP, Ubi be chairman. The park where be sway in a prim. Until the boy fu a quatranche on a year and a back. Kokofu will be or no polling station chairman. The area polling station women organizer. The Bapenini a youth organizer. The Conta a polling station organizer. And he fear back on Quadia. And he said, flag bearer aye numi. Bakoba watch it no magic. Bakumi no beba no match no magic. And he say free you. Say Siko said you. Okofia. The young Kwa no so to Abama MPP name monka delegates hono. Na bobo ano no kokan misika.
Yeah.
The queen. Okuyano subu.
Yes.
Ni ano subu afu. So no yere no ba kwaji aba. And you do general election mokoto maba. It's help for no. It is a credible database in the bachelor no form way. Sa woni ano wo to me say ono so betumi ato aba ne bia ne bo adwo. You see a in a free moon or no ne bo adwo. Afe yen pia sika man crofo no meto aba maye no eno so e be brass papa.
Of course.
Now why we no what's the solve financial challenge our party no until you gain financial sustainability. If we say database who control 5 million people as your core members, now you 2 CDs per month. Clearly you get about 10 million.
10 million per month.
That's a general secretary. Nancy Kebeba may send me a 10 million city. The ne party, before I run a party. You say the whole battery piece. Impo should be cry never be bois. Otu watch no be bois. Omrano, you will so.
Yeah. So,
until you solve those problems. What solve our problems when in an area? What division add unity any the grassroots. Any polling station, electoral area, ne constituency, what solves our problems in every?
Yeah. Because
unity, you know,
if you say you're part of a group, you do everything to be part, even to be proud. Yeah. Very interesting.
It was solve, and it is our unity now from honor. O cementino. I feel na my bastro. Astrono ye on penfo biblia no ne ahometisem no am penfo kudam nom ne ade yenya binum kura kaseti anom ne ma ahodo ti yaw e bia kotna nchen ebi party na hyehyɛ mu yɛ pia ho akonkyɛn obi also kra waye kom na maye menkasa no nyina SSC deal with me your general secretary will profile all of them. You profile at the high level ones, May employ professional negotiators and mediators. Are unnecessarily women your party for. They are professional. Veteran.
Okay.
Enti ahemfo step the pabu on na omo ka bi ewom na omo ne ye kwadwem rom e betumi draft bi in. Papa no masofo ni imam nom e betumi mumpon centrofo yi a sebe mudi nkuta ho de bi mu pi or skills no you can draft them in. Not dispassionately omo twesa asem ne nkamai. Obo beka no bi e bekwa kowie na negotiate. Okay. Say ade no e yoso na ase me nka ho ne nkowira mu nkokum nyaza.
Yeah.
Na yeko na ye succeed na yekuma boa na me de me penenya.
Yeah.
The sire mienu ya media. Obi si dabi ya do so do wonko nya sire mienu enye ye. Nti ye be ma sire baako. Obi si me de me peniti. Obi si dabi eno no aya ahemfo nam ye de ma wa enye ye mpeni na we. Ye we ye de we be ma so ya ye sa kama. Yes ye. It will see sa high profile penifo ntem wie na de nsu agina ne yam onyakwan kana asem. Ebi kro obeka na asem be wie kra na ye di be makeke bi na ohwehwe. Obi o ana na ade free to for me titi aso no anso afa na ade ama no.
Yeah.
Obi o onso kra na sebsebe previous ade nam so ana bu afu na asem aba no kra na bia na entisa e chirichiri ni mu a bia obete no was. Tu wie sorofo na afa na aka mfimfini tu jagufo. Omu na ye na omu pempi omu hwe mpanifo wotoro ana omu di omu dwuma. Enti by the time omani baba omozo na sa mpanifo na ohwe na osoro na odi ni dwuma na wasiesi omu ntemu awie nti ono no ne adwuma bia ye.
Wow.
You end up having unity. So when you absolute unity, you will be in control. And as a general secretary, discipline, self-discipline. One kasa. No, and in the disciplinary code must be strictly adhered to. And no nebema kwai amase obi fufuro kukutia extra red line na. When you kuduro atwi nanim na matena so anampo wani tetekra wo bochire na oni an obeti ase obaako fa ba so de koboni nua adwebre platform say openina kasa nya pani pa de na no to ase ma kamempene de nua no matena ase na we are self discipline then you employ firmness and fairness.
Okay.
You say pay your the didi kofia ya de twena so no saa na adwo anso so woyem fom so a ya didi no enye nyimu nya yipamu uwia afi you employ accountability one pa hu si wo se me medi a medi bia mu da ho fan akontabu ewo mu ni eno na be ma akwan ama won so watimi ahwe afoforo no abu akontabu akoso. For instance, they said you see making a manage from the constituency level. Say young fan say bantama for watimi register 80,000. Not 2 cedis a month. A bema 160,000 a month. Yes, sir.
Yes, of course.
And it's a 30% take a constituency or 20% by region. 50% by national. Constituency executives na mo chairman ono nkrofo no party be mamo nipa mo ankasa mbe yi nipa a o ye professional accountant,
okay,
and a professional auditor. Yetie ya ibetumi anya budget officer onim accounting. This one you be employ o constituency o. It will be draw budget for the constituency for the year. Budget no she said that sika wo mo ho no say 50% ebeko recurrent expenditure. 50% ebeko investment. The same thing will apply to region. And so we are general secretary na betimi amasa akuntabu yakoso SSA will level at the national secretariat SSA dey any prevail. And the treasurer national or related directly with treasurer region. Now also related to treasurer at the constituency level.
Yeah.
It's auditors no more bar near the auditor. And yet idea would you see accountability. Go. We win in a fay that now will be say Mabunu war party no. And then Mabunu Africa represents 60% of the population.
Yeah.
Ghana, we are around 56, almost to 60%. Mabunu. It's only valuable resource.
Yeah.
About my seminar, Mabunu party seminar there. You cannot toy with youth development. Where do you place them? And my slogan is rebuilding with the youth and for the youth. That's share Makani Adina Numa at Sadia registration Adina be creative Numa. You funny don't be a human. At the electoral commission of Francophone, your registration on Tiomuka.
Of course.
The new patriotic party apart the money a year registration. Now your face do study Uncle Phobia near there. If you muka ye.
Many pakura feel say finally I'm getting something out of my party. Loyalty, loyalty at my party.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That will reflect them. You put them into orientation. Yes, you have to say party no or my amamo. Now so in one America POP. Ya botre na batampen for na yem dear friend of mentorship no.
Okay.
Yeah. Misia chairman die he said there sebe obi de ne ba call magazine so kutua fita. Peter me person no near was chairman of chairman association was Ashanti region.
Okay.
Chairman of Semensa. No chairman. Then Dr. Adokofo MP ne chairman no. Na chairman of Semensa bit me am the one yanzu be tried amount chairman be basbasa. Discipline. Chairman Asarbidi akonot yase as a chairman. Chairman a friend is saying a good say or tiase no ye chairman okumewu. Chairman actually answer chairman want to me cry or bebemu a kuntrate. That I know me mukra. If Siam party, yeah, if Siam, I want Brasim and anything. Enti a bread to say, see a dear youth no fasa type of entity.
Yeah.
Near more, yes, enti say, what China did you media be Shannon, sir? Then a new one also. Though I have a man or a buyer or the running fields so a real school, but open who said, the media dear Shannon and penny human. Tinana Montio, the Casa, Muni, quite obefatwa, obetutinana munina, let's say, well, the general secretary will go through that.
Wow.
Above all.
Wow.
General secretary for Abako Ninara, Mayor General Secretary's Forum. No one be here. That Brano, Aji, I didn't say a few all. Dambuki Tiasi, Yamiada Roma, the no hinting to Tiasi, Yamiada Roma. Kwabena Jaja Pontias, Nyamiada Roma. Say John Penn free, John Bodutia. And idea, Obe free Honan, Yamama Baby, or not so over. Unina, no Taho. Now, Pribian, the Eba, than Fatu so. And a year lawyer for president, the Abbey Chemu Coseni, Yen, in the Eduma. Resolving issues, dispute resolution. Mechanism ya party ne be ye fiasem pepepe sabe suku asem o na pie nyansa de okoti ne pe that just say what the engineer say if you will apply if you nyansa critically to all that you do. You may be a professor, you may be an engineer, you may be a lawyer, doctor, nemum if you nyansa no will prevail.
Wow. Senior, I actually I wish Pastor Yankupon Moi uye pa na MPP from Payne who say yes, we have somebody who can do the job well, who can bring back. Even the fact is we will build the youth and we will build for the youth and for the youth, you know. I think we never boama the grassroots and ankasa sana so the jana nice year because Kwakwa wadi mfie aduonu. Oko na ni nwa bi adu adi mfie du nsia. Gradually no, the orientation will go in one direction. You can say the backbone of the party at the youth level. No, youth no decided. So they can 56% we are all youth. Let's just say youth do a cheer. The potential to win election is very, very, very easy. To me, I wish very well say Yankupon more pana. I'm people from point here because you did not just came. Through your experience in your and I believe we say through this plan, would the babegu akwamu among people among you at this one. Me per se
Ras, before so be come back so me per se me de bibi kakra bi be kan ho. Won say we do ano do nwera bi wo.
Dabi
Na wan hwe ne yesu a o kan wa ne atie no wa. Na emom se utu mire na kirisi a aya na boa.
Bebre kwa.
Enu ti de makan nyina achi no. Makan no. Die na mo na metu pen. Fa we. Me ye bantama chairman. Me make sure say nkabomu. And by the time me leave, me not sure say obi a dominate bantama politics more than myself. Yes, sure. And obi answering him say bantama nye sabe abrewa.
No. Very hot cake. Yeah.
Very hot.
Yeah.
And to dominate bantama politics from polling station up to a friend said chairman 2 terms and then MP. Let's just say why be now me employ Sanyama we and to make it intact. Me said that recruit 2 Mranti and Mabawa through my time. And then I trained them. The mental now me catch room say Omune be in Swama party no that's it. And lo and behold, one of them the Bantama chairman say Chairman Fifi. I picked him up an assistant secretary just to learn. A be a wine, a be a day, a be waha, a be waha, a be waha, a be waha. I mentored them. I made the leadership thinking. A share won't dream. The woman name me also. Central region. Be brave, Ranty, be brave, and no more lawyers, no more teacher, no more party. Be brave. I benefited from. Oma benefited from me forward looking. Enemy youth mentorship. Me to me what didn't you see be brave. Be brave. Oma person kind of crane say. Apart from that, we make sure say obi bia wo pepa so be your party adwuma be boa party we will recognize you and reward you accordingly. So no yeah now the flagship policy a credible database be lead to every member having a voting right. No experience in there. Kanena me chairman no the first time in chairman na ye call about to also said ye call to presidential ya na ye chairman pe onso si chairman pe ne bi obeyi ni pa be mienu bi aka no ho until na chairman for ne powerful pa ne very powerful enti mpanini hu say no that this kasem na start here cause nipa na ye call to ne kakra bi. Until you call Lego a couple of baby any and then I feel ye dear tipping pim ye lose 2009 year 5. Again, by say ye expansion of the electoral college. Now, and penny quadrine near Ura, Dambuki, if you sue whom may be a trim our cape. Under this, I did about first.
Wow.
A dear Dipaka and say you need your name, your dodo, a China will be on your PP, ni crab a frame, any adenia bogu. But 2009 to 2010, you say, Adiana, we must do something. Now, as I said, you're doing limited expansion. Nipa, you share kitchen architect, you're doing Sadiano. One, me, kwabena kokofu.
Wow.
Samia Wuku. Yura Sampine, former mayor, Kumasi.
Yeah.
Krachi be a friend of Peter Oteng. And a Krachi ba your friend of Pamichem Kumasi. 5 young men, we were behind everything. You were under the late Dr. Amakotofo. Now you meet you when you feel AU quarters. Our Labon. 7 a.m. every day. Be free on the 6. They are not sponsor, they are not finances, your friend, no, honorable or say, Amaya. No, be a Sujama MP. Sabrina John, a general secretary. Now you are Jacob I'm chairman. And he have prepared cuckoo. All the 5 are didn't we masterminded it. If we any truck car home, yeah, car home say, and who be here say, yeah, the year election day 2 times going forward and SES Pandeno now will be to Abanibi. So futuristic. And I strongly believe that this is the time. And no other person can do it better than Yamike.
Oh, so the why you be paying or you confirm it. Yeah,
daddy. Until then, I'm person because also yes, I make cancer keke. Be when you are so now parliamentary experience. Me call parliament now your opposition. Opposition in parliament and I'll be who's war parliament. Me, I find your marking friends say Patrick Boama, Ani Moses, Ben Bebre, Adjoa Safo, couple of us are a new entrants. We were given the assignment to make sure say we were constantly on the government. Making sure we are everywhere on the media, the BBR space. And can confirm you to a call Burkina. None of the people added any whom you.
Yeah. Bass Brandon, no master.
That's it. And when you know a critical experience, and it's a Uniana call parliament, none or power. No, I know your opposition. No, only parliamentary experience in this how.
I was said, how they are being. Aja, they are buying the banner here, they pushy.
Yeah. Now to opposition, I said the enemy and to opposition. When who say really you have a greater role to play. Now, I mean, can't find Tremono yet a battle. Make I say, me general secretary, I'll make sure say we will protect our ballot. I mean, no, my account. Hey, critical. Internal security arrangement. One, to protect our ballot. The sanctity of the ballot at all polling stations across the country. And then making sure that your security system no ain't find you to trust them. The moment you're there, you're full.
Yeah.
A boy was not in whom you're there full.
Of course.
Or being to me, no, being to making food. I'll do that. Now, Brabia Chem. To baby, so you're trying Bantama, you're trying Florida. Okay.
Yeah, make I pay your court ton of wine.
You're trying Bantama, then just for a buffalo. Nay, any Kufunen and Crawford. We know how to do it. If you catch them, send need your counsel, I will brass him. For party in my baby, I be drawn. Now you're Messum near Sheni, you are your jamamo. I don't see a carbon.
That don't carbon that. Medicura. Sama woka ni pransa ewo wanim, especially one of the biggest thing I think say the cost of everything any that super delegate system. And see it me free upana every MPP member is part of the decision making. I think say it will be the way to go, and we will win.
Sure,
we will win because honor yaw die bia ni obiamu.
Daddy.
Because maybe for German South, got two super delegates, you know. I have a lot of family members on my delegates. And we yet the man for no moka, you know. Muna makotuaba, Muna maji, Abane do have bakotua my yahre. And I think it's a solution where you pohon da no. It will be the best way. And I'm people, so no. Say best when they are say unopposed It can never happen because we believe in democracy and we do everything based on majority. It is a no everybody will feel part of it. Say a binom and I decided so that decision will be a wash and really hope say same way one of the reasons I MPP for better you MPP for better so they use it because I don't mean person may criticize you BBR, but honorable for your demeanor, for your personality, for your experience in politics. I don't think say there is anybody in MPP today when any kasa obetumetria false. It's clear. More than where we must to give chance for the youth, but your level will be or sa level no. I will say umunye dru, you know, umunye dru. Na yam koto abam na amanfo nkan kire say in the spiritual realm, omo hu de see you know. Some say yeti na ya say nipa party ni share wonsa ya to abawie na say honhom na want no, it cannot happen. And for sure the echo party mean I think say it is happening because there are weak leadership in a weak Yaniska with the solution about we find how we can make money to do our party things. We don't need to be financed by anybody. We have our money. We are there. You can also you can face anybody who wants to, misbehave. Mami uses our word way. Just permit me to use this word because this time now I think say the party we need people with big political background that handle situations because happy people party enye party ketwa enye offense and UP plus anipanum party. So honorable, I wish you all the best.